I've been looking for ways to make money in crypto, and MEV bots are way too complicated for the majority of people, you included. For that reason, in today's video I'll show you how to snipe and make money trading new coins on Kucoin, so you begin to profit from day one with minimal risk. This is one of the easiest and most effective strategies you can use if you are a beginner or you want to up your game with new skills. You can make 10x or duplicate your money in a matter of seconds, or you can lose it all if you're not careful. So let's begin. So you can see here I'm at Kucoin, and what you do is you simply look for new launches. Here, by searching on Kucoin new listings on Google, you will land on the main page where you can see upcoming listings. Here's what I want you to do. Open the most recent one, in this case ICE. Set up a calendar notification for when the token goes live and buy it at the first second. You can see that it starts trading tomorrow, February 28 at 9 UTC. So here, after you see, what you do is you buy as soon as it launches, and if you are a bit late, you wait for the first candle, the first 5-minute candle or the second, and you open the Fibonacci tool. Then you draw it from the lowest point to from the highest to the lowest point, and you look at the 50% level, in this case 0.5 here, and at the 0.25 level, which is about here. And in that case, what you do is you simply see how price reacts. Sometimes it goes to the 50% and then it continues up. Other times it goes to the 25%, which is this level about here, and it bounces up. That's where you want to re-enter if you missed the first push up. What you do is you set up a buy and sell target, say at 2x or a 1.5x. My drawing is awful here, but don't worry about that. And what you do is you exit as soon as that happens, because sometimes you may want to feel like you want to hold on your position for a bit longer, but that is where you begin making mistakes, because price soon goes down and you lose all of your profits. You have to be very fast and be familiar with the Kucoin interface, you know, all the place orders, because it may be a bit confusing. Also remember that you can lose all your money if you are not careful, if you are greedy, when you don't want to close a position or you want to re-enter after taking a loss. Be content with some profits and have a small risk in mind, meaning you want to spend $100, don't go above that, just set a hard limit on that. Set up a mental stop loss, and meaning when the price reaches half of your position, you exit at a loss and not re-enter, you close the page. In fact, you should close the website as soon as you take profits or your stop loss is hit. You'll be executing these trades manually. You can set up limit orders. In fact, you can become familiar with that, but for the most part you'll be doing this manually, because otherwise it may be too slow. And yeah, that's about it. With this strategy you will be able to buy tokens quick and make a profit without much risk, because as you can see, most of the tokens, in fact I would say 99% of them, go up like this very hard and then they begin dropping. So the first candle is the most important one, and with this strategy you are able to benefit from very decent profits. Hope you like this strategy, and it seems simple, but it's not. It's easy to execute, and it takes a lot of mental fortitude to exit with a loss and not revenge trade. If you like this, make sure to share it with your friends and comment how you made your money in crypto, if you buy meme coins, if you tried sniping, and what do you think about the strategy of sniping on Kucoin. See you soon.